There's nothing colder than your shoulder when you're dragging me along like you do, like you do. And then you switch up with no warning, and you kiss me like you want it. How rude, how rude. But I kinda like it anyways. I don't mind if this is gonna take a million days. I know you'll come around to me eventually. If you sit back, relax, enjoy my company, my company. Once you know what my love's gonna feel like, nothing else will feel right. You can feel like moonbeam ice cream, taking off your blue jeans, dancing at the movies. Cause it feels so mystical, magical, oh baby. Cause once you know my love is so mystical, magical, oh baby. Cause once you know my little heart to get baby. I wouldn't mind it if you give me just a little bit of something we can work it with, but all you do is push me out. But I like it anyways, cause I think I'm getting closer to you every day. I know you'll come around to me eventually. Just sit back, relax, enjoy my company. Oh baby, trust me. Once you know what my love's gonna feel like, nothing else will feel right. You can feel like moonbeam ice cream, taking off your blue jeans, dancing at the movies. Cause it feels so mystical.
Oh, you gotta go faster than that. All the way through. Oh, wow. 14.
Take a look around and see the world we think we know, and then look closer. There's more to life than meets the eye, a beauty to behold. It's all much bigger than we know. It's only just beginning to unfold, so let it all unfold. Far beyond all reason in your mind, there's a world mysterious, never you to find. All these questions.
Okay, I need you to stop. I said to wait for me, and I'm not kidding.
Sorry.
Do you understand?
Yeah.
Do not do that again.
Part of the sky, 'cause a life that's full of wonder is a wonderful life. Dig beneath the surface, find the lessons there to learn, and then dig deeper. Feed your intuition, don't leave any stone unturned. Be the seeker of the truth. Listen when you hear it calling you. You know it's calling